Hey everyone, meet Brandon here. Ever have a freezer? This is just a mini fridge. Get like so full of ice that you can't even close the little door, and it kind of causes a lot of problems. This is a trick that I've learned. You get boiling hot water, pour it in a pan like this, put it beneath the ice. Of course, clear out the entire fridge and turn it off wherever your little button is. You can unplug it, you can turn it off, whatever you want to do. The most important thing to do is have some kind of drip tray to catch the drip. So it obviously just started dripping. Hopefully you can see it right there. I literally started this about a minute ago, so it's pretty fast. You also want to have some towels kind of just based around the base, because if you have to go do something for like an hour or two and you just leave it here, all that'll melt and drip all over your fridge and all over your floor. So but if you're watching it and maintaining it, you should be able to just swap this out a couple times. But no matter what, you're going to have some water on your floor. So a towel or two is helpful. So I want to make this short. I'm probably going to send another video showing the end result and how long it took. I started right at 9 a.m. And there you go. You want to change these out too real quick. You know, like maybe leave it in there for 10 minutes, boiling hot water. You know, I have two in there just to add heat. You can close the door if you want. You can leave it open. I feel like just leaving it open, the heat, it definitely works. So it just depends on your patience level. So hope that helps. I give you an update on how it's going on the next video. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe. Hope it saves you time, money, and some frustration. Thanks. Bye-bye.